In which species does placenta not produce progesterone? Cow, mare, Eve, bitch. And the correct answer is option D, that is bitch. Protein hormones act mainly by binding to nuclear receptors, cytoplasmic receptors, plasma membrane receptors, mitochondrial receptors. And the correct answer is option C, that is plasma membrane receptors. Efferent neurons are best described as nerves that enter the spinal cord, leave the spinal cord, connect sensory receptors, transmit pain impulses. And the correct answer is option B, that is leave the spinal cord. Which of the following is a primary reproductive hormone of the anterior pituitary? Oxytocin, vasopressin, melatonin, prolactin. And the correct answer is option D, that is prolactin. Oxytocin plays an important role in milk letdown and uterine contractions. With respect to its sites of origin in domestic animals, oxytocin is synthesized primarily in the hypothalamus and ovary, hypothalamus only, ovary only, pituitary and ovary. The correct answer is option A, that is hypothalamus and ovary. Which hormone is secreted by the uterus and regulates cyclicity? PGF2 alpha, estrogen, progesterone, oxytocin. And the correct answer is option A, that is PGF2 alpha. Luteinizing hormone LH is mainly responsible for follicular growth, luteolysis, ovulation, estrous signs. And the correct answer is option C, that is ovulation. In males, luteinizing hormone stimulates Sertoli cells, Leydig cells, spermatids, epididymis. And the correct answer is Leydig cells. Luteolytic hormones are responsible for the destruction of the corpus luteum. Which of the following is a major luteolytic hormone in domestic animals? Progesterone, estrogen, oxytocin, prostaglandin F2 alpha. And the correct answer is option D, that is prostaglandin F2 alpha. In which species is the carpus luteum required throughout pregnancy? Bitch, cow, mare, Eve. And the correct answer is option A, that is bitch. Which hormone is secreted by Sertoli cells? Testosterone, inhibin, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone. And the correct answer is option B, that is inhibin. The pre-ovulatory LH surge is primarily triggered by estrogen, progesterone, PGF2 alpha, oxytocin. And the correct answer is option A, that is estrogen. Which hormone is leukotropic in rodents? Luteinizing hormone, prolactin, progesterone, estrogen. And the correct answer is option B, that is prolactin. Which hormone is responsible for behavioral stress? Progesterone, oxytocin, LH, estrogen. And the correct answer is option D, that is estrogen. The hormone responsible for initiation of parturition in ruminants is fetal cortisol, estrogen, progesterone, oxytocin. And the correct answer is option A, that is fetal cortisol. What is the precursor molecule for all steroid hormones involved in reproduction? Tyrosine, arachidonic acid, cholesterol, acetyl-CoA. And the correct answer is option C, that is cholesterol. Which hormone is considered leukotropic, i.e. that supports the corpus luteum in this so? LH, PGF2 alpha, prolactin, estrogen. And the leukotropic hormone in so is estrogen. The Ferguson reflex involves the neuroendocrine release of which hormone due to pressure on the cervix? Vasopressin, oxytocin, relaxin, prolactin. And the correct answer is option B, that is oxytocin. In seasonal breeders like the Eve, increasing day length leads to decreased melatonin, which results in Stimulation of GnRH in the eve, inhibition of GnRH in the eve, stimulation of GnRH in the mare, both B and C. And the correct answer is option D, that is both B and C. Which hormone is responsible for the softening of the pelvic ligaments and ripening of the cervix prior to parturition? Progesterone, relaxin, testosterone, inhibin. And the correct answer is option B, that is relaxin. What is the primary role of kisspeptin in reproductive neuroendocrinology? Direct stimulation of the anterior pituitary, stimulation of the mammary gland, inhibition of follicle stimulating hormone, direct stimulation of GnRH neurons. And the correct answer is option D, that is direct stimulation of GnRH neurons. Which hormone is a decapeptide produced in the tonic and surge centers of the hypothalamus? Oxytocin, GnRH, prolactin, somatotropin. And the correct answer is option B, that is GnRH. Equine chorionic gonadotropin is secreted by the endometrial cups. In species other than the mare, it primarily exhibits what type of biological activity? Predominantly FSH-like, purely luteolytic, predominantly LH-like, purely estrogenic. And the correct answer is option C, that is predominantly LH-like. Which hormone is responsible for the quiescence of the myometrium during pregnancy by hyperpolarizing the muscle cell membranes in uterus? Estrogen, oxytocin, progesterone, cortisol. And the correct answer is option C, that is progesterone. Inhibin is a non-steroidal hormone produced by granulosa cells that specifically exerts negative feedback on the secretion of GnRH, LH, prolactin, FSH. And the correct answer is option D, that is FSH.